Greetings everyone, this is your resident Land Cruiser nut, and today I have quite the offer for you. The first thing I want to say is happy Veterans Day to all of our veterans out there that are serving abroad, that are here back in the States, that are retired. I really appreciate all that you guys have given and what you're doing now to keep us safe. So with that in mind, I got a special offer. I want you to hang out to the end of this video. Don't worry, it won't be long, and show you what I got going. So this is the Rosen Sun visor system for the 80 series Land Cruiser. And if you didn't know about these, Rosen started out making these sun visors for pilots, for the aviation industry, because what do you do when you're 30,000 feet above the cloud cover? There's nothing to block the sun. They came out with this for the pilots, and then they expanded over to some military applications. And then I'm wagering that someone probably in the company had a Land Cruiser and was like, why don't we make these for Land Cruisers? At least in my head, that's probably how I thought it would go. But while we're sitting here, I want to give a big shout out to Dan, who helped me along in getting these in the company. And right there is the part number. So let me show you real quick what you get in the kit. When it shows up, obviously these are going to be sitting just like that. They're going to have a cover on both sides that you peel off. I wouldn't peel it off until you install it. Also, they're going to give you 3 Allen wrenches that go to these little Allen bolts that are right here. It's 3 different sizes. You're going to get all of your invoice paperwork, certificate of conformance, your warranty paperwork. Definitely fill out the warranty stuff. Warranty registration card, and something they didn't say, but I want to print it out. So Rosen Sun visor systems has an ISO certification, and if you don't know anything about ISO certificates, they're actually a pretty big deal. This is basically showing that they have an amazing quality management system. Their products are amazing. So when I saw this, like I said, it didn't come with my sun visor systems. I just saw it online that they had this, and I'm like, you know what, I need to show this off so that people know about it, that they know that they're getting a good product that really follows the Toyota way in terms of Kaizen and quality and continuous improvement. So yeah, that's just something extra. Let's talk about these sun visor systems. This is a premium product. They ain't cheap. Why did I get them? My wife accidentally broke the original passenger sun visor, and then 2, they weren't really working out for everything that I'm trying to do here with the dual tank system and getting it all hooked up. I'm slowly kind of putting the parts together, but the old visors had that little notch, not really a notch. I got the old one right here. This wouldn't allow it to open up all the way anyway, and I looked at the ones that were in the Australian trucks that didn't have that little protrusion, and then trying to get them here was going to be quite expensive. So I was like, you know what, I'm just better off getting these, and they work better. So they do multiple things. If you need it to slide over, you just undo this knob here and you pull it, and it will slide over, slide back. Of course, it goes up just like your standard sun visor. It can come down. It can go just about any direction. I am very happy with these. Let me give you a quick glance through here. You can't really see because it's cloudy, but normal, shaded, normal, shaded. Now here is the offer that I want to tell you. And again, thanks to Dan. Starting today through December 15th, if you decide to purchase these, please use the code LCNUT24 when you're ordering, and you will get 10% off. They've never done this before. I asked them, hey, is it possible that we could do this for the holidays to get these maybe in more people's hands? And Dan came back, worked his magic, and said, yes, we can do that. So again, Dan, I appreciate you very much. I'll put the code down in the description. I really appreciate everyone that subscribed, and we'll see you on the next video.